Kids. Please subscribe to our channel.
Hi kids, are you ready to learn ABC? Alright, let's go! A. The sound of A is A.
Big A, small A.
A is for apple. Apple.
A is for alligator. Alligator.
A is for ant. Ant. B. The sound of B is B. Big B, small b. B is for ball. Ball. B is for bike. Bike. B is for bird. Bird. C. The sound of C is C. Big C, little c. C is for cat. Cat. C is for cake. Cake. C is for crayon. Crayon. D. The sound of D is the D. Big D, little d. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. D is for dog. Dog. D is for duck. Duck. E. The sound of E is E. Big E, little e. E is for egg. Egg. E is for elf. Elf. E is for elephant. Elephant. F. The sound of F is F. Big F, little f. F is for flower. Flower. F is for fish. Fish. F is for frog. Frog. G. The sound of G is G. Big G, little g. G is for goose. Goose. G is for grape. Grape. G is for girl. Girl. H. The sound of H is H. Big H, little h. H is for hippo. Hippo. H is for horse. Horse. H is for heart. Heart. I. The sound of I is I. Big I, little I. I is for insect. Insect. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. I is for iguana. Iguana. J. The sound of J is J. Big J, little j. J is for jacket. Jacket. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. J is for juice. Juice. K. The sound of K is K. Big K, little k. K is for koala. Koala. K is for king. King. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L. The sound of L is L. Big L, little l. L is for ladybug. Ladybug. L is for lollipop. Lollipop. L is for lion. Lion. M. The sound of M is M. Big M, little m. M is for mouse. Mouse. M is for moon. Moon. M is for monkey. Monkey. N. The sound of N is N. Big N, little n. N is for 9. 9. N is for nuts. Nuts. is for nest. Nest. O. The sound of O is O. Big O, little O. O is for octopus. Octopus. O is for owl. Owl. O is for oval. Oval. P. The sound of P is P. Big P, little p. P is for pig. Pig. P is for pirate. Pirate. P is for pizza. Pizza. Q. The sound of Q is Q. Big Q, little q. Q is for queen. Queen. Q is for quail. Quail. Q is for quiet. Quiet. R. The sound of R is R. Big R, little r. R is for robot. Robot. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. S. The sound of S is S. Big S, little s. S is for snowman. Snowman. S is for star. Star. S is for spider. Spider. T. The sound of T is T. Big T, little t. T is for turtle. Turtle. T is for tomato. Tomato. T is for tiger. Tiger. U. The sound of U is U. Big U, little u. U is for up. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for under. Under. V. The sound of V is V. Big V, little v. V is for volcano. Volcano. V is for vampire. Vampire. V is for vacuum. Vacuum. W. The sound of W is W. Big W, little w. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. W is for whale. Whale. W is for watch. Watch. X. The sound of X is X. Big X, little x. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. X is for X-ray. X-ray. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y. The sound of Y is Y. Y. Big Y, little y. Y is for yawn. Yawn. Y is for yarn. Yarn. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Z. The sound of Z is Z. Big Z, little z. Z is for zero. Zero. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Z is for zipper. Zipper.
Thank you for watching.